Living here in Uptown Modern, ito yung i-expect natin sa location. Uptown Modern is located here in Uptown Bonifacio, Bonifacio Global City, one of the township by Mega Road Corporation. So malapit tayo sa mga top schools, hospitals, shopping centers, and entertainment hubs. And walking distance lang din tayo sa mga parks, cafes, convenience stores, and walking distance tayo sa mga major roads like EDSA and Kalayaan Avenue. And of course, subway station is located here in Uptown Bonifacio. We are just so a minute away to subway station. And meron tayong mga 24/7 na security dito. We are safe na maglakad-lakad sa buong township ni Uptown Bonifacio. This is the Uptown Modern. And this is the newest condominium here in Bonifacio Global City. It has 54 floors. And we offer studio unit, 1-bedroom unit, 2-bedroom unit, and 3-bedroom unit here. And what's good about right now, you can take advantage of our no spot down payment on this property.
If you want to know more about this project or want to take advantage our promo this month, directly message me or comment down below. Again, I am Jared Bagnayi. Welcome to Buhay Ahente.